Why? Why family here?
They're testing.
Oh,
Where is
Barbara look
family?
like.
I have
Oh,
no vision, guys. Okay, I'm out.
Family with us. With us.
Okay,
At
family and
Sky.
legacy with us.
No. No legacy.
no
Where is
legacy.
legacy?
Only
I don't know. Luna?
maybe in Scott Scott plot, baby.
I'm not gonna move. Maybe Ayu has a plan on this.
Okay. Family move to
Okay,
Scott plot.
all right. Fusion, Barbar, take towers.
Fusion Barbara. Hey.
Both, both.
Where is Luna DC?
I like it way.
DC. Disconnected.
I think I think we can't bring fusion from Aldern because Jackal is struggling a little against us.
Where is Luna? Need Luna lo.
Legacy move. Careful,
Okay.
guys.
Legacy here.
Fusion losing to Jackals.
Let's just stay here. Let's just stay here. Keep taking towers. We can win this if
Mm.
but we don't need to bring fusion anymore higher. Let's Yeah, but it's too dangerous if we leave them with high score. So let's just stay here. I think Lorraine doesn't know how to brand the tower. I will. What's happening, guys? I can't see.
Don't
Legacy still here.
worry.
Who's
With
Don't
fighting
family.
worry.
Barbar.
Legacy, baby.
We are
Legacy
all
fam-
in one map. Legacy family Barbar.
Yes.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Can you tell me, G, what's the score in Arevnia? Are you open already? How about Arev? Who's playing at Arev? Eternals and Zard? I see. Oh, no. Okay. Remember the names of Injakal that are playing today. Okay, we will recruit them.
Yeah. Mm.
It's okay. Oh my God, Mandala is here. Why? I think we can still win Mandala. Why is Mandala here? My God.
Mm.
Who's
Event Tower
playing?
B.
Mandala is taking over.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Do you want to
Mandala
move
is
to the
with
other side?
yeah, I will try to move to the other side.
How about me? What's the situation of Barbar? I can't see.
Ayo.
I will enter, okay?
But Barber still in rank 1.
Okay. I will probably leave at
Sorry,
a
nggak
safe
sengaja.
time.
Sorry. Sorry, nggak sengaja.
Luna.
I will move to another Alden.
Yeah, move it, move it.
I'm
The score
playing
of
for
fusion.
Oh my god.
The score of fusion, please tell me around 10 minutes, 11 minutes. Okay? Barbar, I mean, versus Legacy and Family. If it's too low, the gap is too low, I will move to a safe place.
Mystical Knights is here.
It's okay. Let's go. We can beat that.
Nice.
Mm-mm. Yeah, wait, I'm lagging.
What's the score of Barbar versus Legacy?
Barbar
Barber
6,000, Family 2,000, Legacy 800.
Okay. I think if on the 10-minute mark, if our score is only 7,000, I will go out.
Oh baby, stay. Just
Baby.
follow the.
But I'm not receiving instructions right now.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really risky.
Ah,
Okay.
Yeah, take more, take more. Try to kill other players if they have. If you can see any of them alive, let's get kill points. Fusion. Guys, I'm going out. What's the score of Fusion versus Legacy?
6,000 baby.
6,000? Oh, it's too low. What's Legacy score?
Yeah, too low.
1K.
1,600.
Oh, it's too low of a gap. I think
Shit.
at 11 minute, 10, 11, I will go out
Okay.
and go to Arevnia.
Okay. Fusion is secure.
Okay. Let's watch the map still in case Mandala tries to follow. I will go out soon. Barbar. Legacy.
Ah,
Family.
2,000. 2,000.
ayo.
I'm going out now. This is too low of a gap. This is too
Yeah.
risky.
This is too risky. If we 10,000 and they are 2,000, we could take the risk. But 6,000 is too risky.
Even
Don't
if it became
play.
7